the cutie pie. You got your dog and t-shirt on, and you're getting ready to get your picture taken. You're getting your picture taken. You like your new crib? You like your crib? You look so handsome. Mr. Sound Effects. Mr. Sound Effects. What you looking at? Hi, baby. I love your little toes. You got daddy's toes. Got daddy's toes and my long fingers. I combed your hair. Got your first new hairstyle. Your first hairstyle. You're styling. You're styling. Say hi to the camera. Hi. You smiled at me yesterday. You got another smile today? Got another smile for me today? Are you cold? You shivered? You don't feel cold.
He stinks.
He doesn't feel cold.
You might want to check up on him because he stinks.
He stinks. Daddy says you stink. Are you stinky?
Check him out.
Oh, no, not crying. Are you cold, baby? You don't feel cold.
How come? You gonna check him?
I want to check him and cry.
He needs help.
Nothing there.
He just stinks.
You're just a stinky boy.
Oh,
he needs
okay.
a bath. He don't like the water yet. Ooh, look at that. Your belly button. I see your belly button.
Where?
Peekaboo. Look at that big belly. Oh.
He looks like one of them kids from Ethiopia.
Nah. Don't pick on my baby. He's eating a lot. He's eating a lot and getting a big tum-tum. Getting a big tummy. Big tummy like daddy.
Oh, that's nice. Show him the muscular legs.
He was practicing his backstroke yesterday. Practicing his backstroke. Weren't you? You're an Olympic swimmer. You're gonna be an Olympic swimmer. See, there he goes. Yep, that's right.
Today he is exactly a month old.
Yep.
He was born 1 month ago today.
He's gonna smile at daddy. He's gonna smile. He wants to smile at daddy. Don't you want to smile at daddy? You got a good daddy. They're here, babe.